Hi everyone. Today let us see about the world's largest all-woman factory in India. We all know that Ola has made a revolution in the automotive sector. They just announced the launch of their electric scooter. Within 24 hours from the opening of booking, Ola received more than 1 lakh booking orders. And after that, when they announced the purchase date, within first 24 hours they have sold scooters worth 600 crores. That is, in an average every 1 second they have sold around 4 scooters. So it is clear that we are all moving towards electric vehicles. This is the Ola Future Factory located in Krishnagiri district in Tamil Nadu. So now let us see how big is this Ola factory. So they have invested around 2400 crores for this factory. So it was spread over a 500-acre land, and it includes a forest area also. The main production block is spread over 43 acres land. They have said that they will not cut down the forest area. Instead, they will transplant the trees on the other side and preserve the green belt in the area. So why do they have built such a big factory here? Because their target is not to supply not only for India but also want to cover the international market. Their aim is to supply around 15 percentage of the world's two-wheeler market. So it is a fully automated factory. They do everything there, whichever is required for the scooter. Normally we will be importing battery from other countries, but they are manufacturing batteries. They are doing all the assembling, welding, painting, testing, everything, and they are also developing the software required for the scooter, that company itself. This is a welding. Welding done with the help of automated robots. So for robotic and automation solution, they have made a partnership with ABB, and they have employed around 3000 artificial intelligence powered robots. Uh, right now, only phase one of the plant is completed. If it is the whole plant is completed, they will be able to produce a scooter every 2 seconds. So in that case, every year they will be able to produce 1 crore units. And they have said that they will employ 10,000 people to work, and that too, all the 10,000 will be women. So their aim is to empower the women in the local area. They also said that they will be installing hyperchargers across various malls, IT parks, and office complexes. And they will also have a dedicated hypercharger unit around the roadside. They have the design has received many awards, marketing innovation award and German design award, and they have no dealers right now. So if you order a scooter, it will be delivered to your home, and there is no specific service center. If there is any problem, you have to book in Ola app, and mechanic will come to your house. So we hope that they have done they are standing first in many factors. and let us hope that they become a global leader in electric vehicle industry and make India proud. So thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you need more details, please go through this website. Thank you.